Goal-Seek is a part of the what-if analysis tool within Excel. It is a nice instrument which allows users to find a desired result for a given parameter by changing other parameters related to it. We can find Goal-Seek in the menu bar, selecting Data, and then opening the What If Analysis box. Let's see a simple example. In the table on the left of our sheet, we have a certain amount of revenues. We would like to find the amount of variable costs that will produce a gross margin of, let's say, 17. Please note that within C6, we have a formula which sums C4 and C5. Currently, the result is 34 because the variable cost cell is empty. We open the Goal-Seek dialog box again. The dialog box asks us for a cell to set. Let's set C6, gross margin. The next argument, toValue, means at what value we want to have the cell we are setting. In our case, we said that we would like it to be 17. The last parameter asks us which is the cell that we are going to change in order to achieve that. Or in other words, by changing the parameter, we are going to be able to find our goal. Note that the cell we are changing has to be somehow related to the one we are setting. Otherwise, Excel will not be able to find a solution. In this case, there is a relation, the sum formula. As we press OK, the dialog box closes, and Excel finds the solution. We found out that in order to have a gross margin of 17, variable costs need to be minus 17. That was quite obvious. But imagine a complicated financial model where there are 40 formulas interacting with each other. Goal-Seek could be pretty useful under those circumstances. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.